Hi! In this video, we are going to see the purchase GRN receive process, or we can say creation of shipment from order. First, find the approved order. For that, go in the pending PO section. Using filters, find the pending purchase orders. Then click on the order ID to view order. Our order get open, then scroll down to the GRN section. And click on the Receive button to receive the shipment. Next, click on Create New Shipment and receive. The shipment is created successfully with a unique shipment ID, which is displayed below. Now select the radio button and click on Receive Selected Shipment. Here, enter the quantity of the product that you are going to receive. In this shipment, I am entering a quantity of 10 for the first product. Here I am receiving the full quantity. For the second product, I am also receiving 10 quantity. Next, scroll down and click on Receive Selected Product. With this shipment get received. Here the shipment has been received successfully. Here we can see the 2 products that were received in the shipment. Click on the shipment ID to view the shipment details. Here you can see all the shipment information, including the shipment ID and status. Thank you for watching the video.